on, kids. Now settle down for a new lesson. Today's lesson is: future problems can be dealt with easily if one practices caution in advance. All right, now have this milk and listen carefully. Drink. You too, dear. In a tiny village far away was a small broken road that was also the only route that gave the villagers access to the city. About 3 years ago, a statue of Lord Hanuman had been found in the middle of that road under a large tree. Around the same time, a group of mischievous monkeys had taken up residence on that tree.
Hey, 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 oh, naughty monkeys. They are crazy monkeys, very naughty monkeys.
Because monkeys are worshipped as messengers of Lord Hanuman, the villagers kept quiet despite those monkeys' nuisance.
Causing trouble, creating ruckus. Everybody is fed up of them.
Huh? Hey, my toys! These monkeys are such a pain.
On their way to work every day, the villagers would offer fruits to the Lord, which in turn became food for the monkeys. The monkeys would eat the fruit, but were always waiting for Puranmal sweets instead.
Puranmal, the sweet vendor has come. Puranmal, Puranmal's yummy sweets. Puranmal's yummy sweets. Ready to loot, they gather around, ready to pounce. These naughty monkeys troubling the town, hanging around, ready to hound. Puranmal's yummy sweets.
Shoo! You monkeys will never cease playing tricks. I'm so fed up. Oh, Hanuman, only you can help us find a solution to get rid of these naughty monkeys.
One day, the government ordered for the broken road to be repaired, and the villagers agreed with the same.
Quiet! This is a public welfare order, and therefore the tree in the middle of the road must be cut down. The statue of Lord Hanuman will be set up in the village.
Praise Lord Hanuman!
Praise Hanuman, praise Lord Hanuman, praise Hanuman.
The statue was moved to the village temple. Puranmal too started offering his sweets at the temple. The monkeys continued their nuisance, but waited for the sweets to arrive. But alas, one day, when Puranmal was passing by,
Hey, why have you blocked my way? Move aside, move.
Hey, his glasses they steal.
Oh no, my glasses, they will break.
Spoiling all the sweets.
Oh my god, don't spoil my goods.
These monkeys are very rowdy.
My dhoti.
They
Why are
bring
you pulling my
trouble.
dhoti?
They are very
My
naughty.
dhoti! Oh Lord Hanuman.
Praise Hanuman, praise Lord Hanuman.
Quiet! We must be cautious of the monkeys for what they have done today. And therefore, in the interest of the village, the monkeys must be driven out.
I agree with you. But we must make sure that the monkeys are not harmed in the process.
Do you have such a solution?
Yes, I do. Lord Hanuman, please forgive me for the steps I'm about to take. It's time that those monkeys are driven away for our well-being. Oh, monkeys, please forgive me. Go, now!
the burning of those chilies created smoke that greatly discomforted the monkeys, eventually making them run away. And this is how the villagers drove the monkeys out of the village. They did not use any violence, and in turn were able to get rid of future problems.
Praise Hanuman, praise Lord Hanuman.
Praise Lord Hanuman!
Praise Hanuman. Praise!
Lesson learned?
Bright and clear, Granny dear.